If you're a lover of this Lagos popular food, Ewa Aganyin, come closer, let me show you the perfect way to cook it. Make sure that your beans is free from stone and give it a thorough wash. Wash like 2-3 times to make sure that you're not eating dirt in your food. Allow your water to boil before adding the beans so that the beans will start cooking immediately when you get to the pot. But don't forget to add your salt and onion before you cover it. While this is cooking, let's make the sauce. Start by adding your palm oil into a saucepan. Allow it to hot before adding onions. Allow the onion to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding the pepper sauce. It usually comprises of dry tatase, bawa and atarodo. The trick to the cooking of this sauce is that you have to allow it to fry for some time before it is actually done. So when you have the sauce in the pepper, stir it to combine together. Remember to add all the ingredients you want to add: ginger and garlic, add seasoning cube, salt, all the ingredients that you like, all the spices that you like to add them up, and then allow it to cook. Cover and be checking it after each on a low heat 4 to 5 minutes to make sure that the sauce is not burning. So just open it randomly and stir through and cover it back until sauce is darkened and all the water in this pepper is already evaporated. That is when the sauce is ready. Then taste to be sure that you have adjusted the taste to a normal level. So if you want to add fish at the end, fried fish or meat or anything you want to top your aganyin with, you can add it at this point. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Nisi and I would like you to join my food community for more of content like this, for other food recipe that I'll be sharing with you. Thank you for watching. Love you. See you the next time. Bye.